Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I had an idea for a really cool vase for 4th of July. So we're going to go ahead and give it a go. Now normally I do vases as dirty pours, so we're doing something different this time in that I am doing it as a clean pour. And I'm just using Artist Loft Flow acrylics, red, white, and blue. So basically, I thought I would pretty much try to do a flag acrylic pour on a vase. And I have no idea how this is going to come out. We're going to try it and see what happens. So this is going to take a bit just to make sure I get the vase fully covered. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part of the video up. Okay, so that was not as easy to execute as I thought, but I think it looks awesome. So let's go ahead and do a quick close-up. So I didn't want it to be, I had these lines that were coming out kind of too clean, so I messed them up a bit. I'm just going to rotate this. So there we go. We just have the blue in that one spot. And then otherwise, it's just red and white striped. So there you have it. I'm thinking this is going to look totally different when it's dry. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to let that sit overnight and dry. But for now, we're going to do the canvas. All right, so I feel like I probably need a little more paint on the canvas. So since I definitely don't have much blue here, I'm going to go ahead and just add some. And for all of you wondering how I lifted the cup up, how I lifted the vase up, it was just by the cup. That's why, one of the reasons I put the cup underneath there. I'm putting some more white here. I just want to make sure we are able to get the canvas fully covered. Not trying to create too much pink though. Okay. I think that should be fine. This is going to be an interesting one. One of the things I like about doing the dirty pour on the vase instead of a clean pour like this is that I can actually control how much paint I'm putting on there. I just put however much in the cup that I need to do the canvas. When I'm doing it this way with the clean pour, it's definitely more difficult to control and to tell how much paint I'm really putting in there. little bit more, and then we're going to leave it. Cool. I actually really like that. That is very unusual. I'm going to get this last little corner with blue. And otherwise, we're going to leave it. All right, guys. Hey, guys. So we're back. This is the next day. I think it looks awesome. I like that it's more abstract, not like specific stripes. I am going to do a little more work to this. Primarily, I'm going to add some stripes there. And then I need to seal this. There's a couple spots where the paint's a little thin that I'm going to fill in. But I'll do that in a different video. I think for now, this is good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.